Navi Mumbai is a planned city. Most of the civic facilities are in place. The civic body has to just maintain them to run the city. The city has also emerged as cleanest city in India among top 3 for the last consecutive years. This happened because of well-managed solid waste drainage system, STP and other civic facilities. However, authorities seems have failed to meet up to the expectations. On May 26, rainfall, Belapur, one of the prominent nodes in Navi Mumbai, flooded. Sector 4, 11, 5 and adjoining area flooded following heavy rainfall. And it happened because of the lapses in the engineering department. They have created a bund to prevent high-tide waters to enter in the city, but it failed to remove it when monsoon arrived in the city. While the civic body stated that they have installed pumps and started the restoration process, and they have also cleaned the roads, but citizens of Navi Mumbai raised questions when they are paying taxes on time, why they get this kind of treatment, why the civic body did not act on time and prevent the flooding situation in Belapur.
पानी 11 बजते बजते भर गया पूरा, सबकी गाड़ियां थी इसके अंदर, गाड़ियां पानी में निकाला गया, बहुत गाड़ी को धक्के दे के निकाले गए और पानी जो भरना चालू हुआ 2-3 घंटे में 4 घंटे के अंदर पूरा फुल भर गया। देखिए ये लेवल, और दूसरे दिन से हम लोग निकाल रहे पानी, आज दूसरा दिन हो गया। कल सुबह से पानी निकालने काम जारी है और अभी तक निकल रहा है। अभी तक की हालत है, हमारा पूरा डीजी सेट डूब गया, पूरा मोटर, पूरा सिस्टम कोलैप्स कर गया है सोसाइटी का। हम लोग टैक्स भरते, पूरे कॉमर्शियल कॉम्प्लेक्स से पूरे लोग टैक्स भरते। कभी 2005 में हुआ था, लेकिन इतना नहीं हुआ था। पूरा सिस्टम बेकार है। मैंने फोन भी किया कमिश्नर साहब को, हमने व्हाट्सएप भी किया, सारा फोटो, कोई सुनवाई नहीं है।
तो ऑफिस कोई बंद नहीं कर सकता था। जब वाटर लॉगिंग नी डीप हो गया रोड पे, तब लोग यहाँ से निकलना शुरू किया। तब तक तो यहाँ पूरा बेसमेंट हमारा फुल हो गया था।
लोग इतने पानी में निकले,
तो ये तो
कमर भर पानी में,
बहुत बुरा हालत है। किस तरह से हम लोग जो है अभी पानी निकलवाए हैं, कोई देखने वाला नहीं है, कोई एनएमएमसी का कोई आदमी नहीं आया है कि हाँ इस रोड का क्या हालत है, बिल्डिंग्स का क्या हालत है। ये परिस्थिति है। अगर कोई ऐसा दुर्घटना हो जाए तो कौन उसको देखेगा? कोई मतलब हम लोगों के लिए कोई है ही नहीं। हम लोग सिर्फ टैक्स देने के लिए। एनएमएमसी का अगर एक दिन टैक्स नहीं दो तो तुरंत फाइन लगता है।
Actually, I am not the expert person in civil or engineering section, but being a taxpayer of Navi Mumbai and as a common citizen, what we observe that I can say that what the situation arises on 26th May in CBD Belapur is not only due to the heavy rain, but main reason behind that is the administrative and engineering point of lapses in the work is the major reason behind that. Because whatever I observe here is that in a natural way, the water comes in the holding pond and after that it goes to the khadi. But due to this work and the bund they have constructed during the work, it has been kept as it is, even though there is a monsoon period. And because of that bund, what happen is that all the water, that rainy water gets stagnant behind that bund, and because of that flooded situation arises in the CBD Belapur. So my humble request to the state government and NMMC commissioner is that I don't want to blame anyone, but only thing is that the situation should not be repeated henceforth, and for that the technical reason behind that should be investigated properly, and the appropriate action, remedial action should be taken in such a way that we, the citizens of Navi Mumbai, should not face what we face on the 26th May 2025.
Right now I am standing at Belapur, and this is the flap gate which is being constructed to prevent high tide waters to enter in holding pond and in the city. However, this under construction flap gate was closed with a bund that prevented waters to release in the sea during heavy rainfall on May 26th, and due to which several areas in Belapur flooded. Up to 4 to 5 feet water was accumulated in sector 11, 12, 4 and 5 and other areas in Belapur. Several offices face trouble due to water enter in the office, and even few businesses like hotels, they face problem after water enter in their premises. And this happened because of the bund was a bund was created to prevent high tide waters enter in holding pond. However, what happened during heavy rainfalls, the holding pond behind me was over flooded and it couldn't release because there was a bund created to prevent high tide waters. But what happened, rainwater couldn't release through the bund and these waters enter in the city area and most of the area in Belapur get flooded. It is noted here that Belapur is one of the prime location in Navi Mumbai, which houses Reserve Bank of India, Police Commissioner Office and public sector banks core banking facilities.